Hello, we're from BCB International, a Cardiff company for the last 160 years. We are so absolutely privileged to be here tonight and to win this award, aren't we, Carl?
We're an absolute privilege.
Oh my goodness, what don't we do? We save lives. We actually are there. We don't ever damage lives, we protect lives. Whether you're out in the environment, whether you're climbing Kilimanjaro, or you're unfortunate enough to be out in a war zone, we
Save lives.
save lives.
It's an absolute amazing evening. Lovely to see so many businesses here.
We have the most amazing team. We have a really young team that you're going to meet shortly. And what's so great is that all of our team absolutely love working with us, don't they?
It's absolutely amazing. The team spirit in the office is absolutely amazing.
And we have so much fun. Well, hopefully we're going to win much more awards next year. We want to win the Innovation Award for our Fire Dragon,
International awards.
International Award, Family Business Award, because we're all part of the family. You name it, we want to win it.